Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Explore. In this tutorial, we are going to design Boxer 8 camshaft. As Boxer engine have two engine heads at 90-degree angle with each other, so there will be two sets of camshafts. At first, we are going to design left camshaft and then we are going to design the right camshaft. Here is the drawing of it. From File, select New, then Part, then click OK. Right click over front plane and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Now select circle. Draw a circle from the origin. Draw another circle at the top of the previous circle. Select smart dimension. The largest circle is 22 millimeter and the smaller one is 10 millimeter. Then click OK. Then select line. Then draw a line connecting these two circles. Press escape to come out. Then press enter to activate the previous command. And then draw on this side also. Select trim entities and trim out the extra portions. Then click OK. From features, select extrude. Select midplane. Extrude 7 millimeter. Then click OK. Right click over right plane and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Now select center line and draw a center line from origin to horizontally. Now exit the sketch. Now go to insert, then select feature and then select move copy. Now select this body. In Z direction, input distance minus 34 millimeter. Make sure the copy is selected, then click OK. Now click on insert, then go to features and select move copy. Select these two bodies. Click on translate box and then select the center line. Now input distance 2 to 8 millimeter. Number of copies are 4. Then click OK. Now we need to rotate the cam profiles. So in similar method, select move copy. Select the last pair of cam profiles. Now expand rotate, click on the box and select this horizontal center line. Input angle minus 90 degree. Then deselect copy and then click OK. Now select move copy in similar ways. Select this second pair of the cam profiles. Select the center line in rotate box. Then input angle minus 2 to 5 degree. Then click OK. Again go to insert, then feature, then move copy. This time select the third pair of the cam profiles. Click on the box of rotate, then select the center line. This time input angle minus 135 degree. Then click OK. Now right click over this surface and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select circle and draw a circle from the origin. Select smart dimension, and this one is 17 millimeter. Then click OK. Select features and select extrude. Input 118.5 millimeter. Now select direction 2. Now input 919.5 millimeter. Now click OK. Now select the center line, right click over it and select height. Now right click over this surface and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select center line and draw a center line from origin to vertically. Press escape to come out. Click on line and draw a line from the edge to vertically. Now draw a horizontal line. Select smart dimension, and this line is 2.675 millimeter, and this line is 2.5 millimeter. Now click on mirror entities and select this line and this line and mirror about the center line. Then click OK. Go to features and select extrude. Select contours and select these two internal portions. Deselect thin feature. Now reverse the direction. Extrude 25 millimeter. Then click OK. Now go to appearance, expand it, select metals, and select varnish tungsten. Now we will create the right camshaft, which is almost similar as the left camshaft, but only differences are in angles of the cam profiles, and the placement of each pair of cam profiles is little bit offset to the left cam. So I am not describing it, and especially the first pair of cam profiles are totally similar, so you can start from the previous one also if you go back and start from the first pair of left cam.